Hi everyone, this is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. It's week 2 in the How to Grow a Beard series and we're in the itchy phase. So it's week 2 of my beard journey. I'm on day 13 today, and what I've noticed this week is I'm getting a little bit impatient about how fast my beard is growing. Last week was fine because I was in the stubble phase, and this week I thought I would have a little bit more growth on my beard. So I feel like this is the stage that people and men get impatient and they possibly do shave their beards. But if you can last one more week, you'll be absolutely away on your beard journey. Also on day 11 I found out that the itch arrived for me. So my face, I can feel the hair on my face now. It's not very itchy, but like I said, I do want to kind of scratch it every now and then. So that kind of gives us the signal that we do need to put a little bit of product on our beard. What the beard hair is doing is pulling the moisture from the skin underneath, and that can leave the skin a little bit dry. So we're going to go for a little bit of beard oil this week, and going forward that'll moisturize the skin underneath the beard and try to reduce the beard itch. I'm using some cinnamon and black pepper beard oil here. If you are new to the beard game, I would probably tell you to get an unscented oil if you're not used to having scents around your face. I think unscented would be a good choice, or if you do see a scent that you really love, you can go and get that. So we're going to use a little bit of beard oil. We're also going to use the beard brush as well, but I'll tell you about the beard brush once I put on a little bit of oil. So because you still are kind of almost like half face, half skin and half hair, you really kind of don't want to put a lot of beard oil because you don't want to have an oily face. So really a bottle this size, if your beard stays this size, it's going to last you forever. So we're only using a couple of drops. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to go run you through that. So squeeze the bottle, just a few drops now on this. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give myself about 4 drops, and then with the other hand you're just going to rub the oil into the skin. Now because there's not a lot of hair, you don't want to put too much oil on because the hair won't be able to absorb all of it. So just a few drops is fine. Again, under here I find is the itchy part for me. So really get that oil under the chin area, can really get in there, and also in the moustache as well. And then whatever is on your hands, rub them together, and then just get it on that little bit of hair. So that's it. You have a nice scent if you do have a scented beard oil, and that'll soften the hair and of course get rid of some of that beard itch. Now you have a choice with the beard brush. I personally like to use my beard brush to itch my face. I don't like having my fingers itching my skin. You know, your fingers are everywhere. They can be unclean at times. You don't want to be touching your beard too much with your fingers. So I use my beard brush to kind of itch myself, and kind of it'll exfoliate the skin underneath the beard and also keep it clean as well. If you do have some dry skin, it'll take away that, and like I said, the oil will moisturize that skin then as well. So when you are buying a beard brush, make sure the bristles aren't too hard. My first experience of buying a beard brush back in Amazon about 10 years ago, it was a tiny little beard brush I found, didn't know what I was doing. It was all plastic bristles, and it almost tore the face off myself when I tried using it. I was put off beard brushes for a long time after that, but until I found a boar bristle beard brush. I don't like them too soft. If they are too soft, they won't get into the skin underneath the beard. So you want a kind of a medium to hard bristle. As long as it's natural boar bristle, that'll help spread the oil around your face, and it won't be scratching it, like I said happened to me before. So when you're brushing, go from ears to chin and just brush down. Other side. Again, if your beard is itchy, this will feel really good. And I remember when I did have a beard for the first couple of months, it always feels really good to give it a good brush. So during your beard journey, especially for the next couple of weeks, make sure you have a bit of beard oil and beard brush on hand. Like I said, try not to itch your beard with your fingers. Try to have the beard brush around you, even if it means taking in the car with you when you go on journeys. You can whip it out and give it a nice brush. And also you're taming that hair to grow in a certain direction, and your face is getting used to the bristles on your skin, and also of course your face is getting used to having the oil on it as well. So that is my tips for week 2 of how to grow a beard. Invest in a little bit of beard oil and a beard brush. You'll be using these two constantly on your beard journey. Even when your beard is down to here, you'll be using the beard oil, but you'll be using the brush as your beard goes from short to medium, but then after medium you can change to a beard comb, but we'll talk about that in different videos. My tips for you this week: just stay patient. You know, it is growing. If you're don't have the growth like me, just stay patient. Like I said, you may not need the beard oil yet, but you will need it in a couple of days time. Looking forward to the next couple of weeks. It's really going to start to fill out now, so hit me up with any questions, leave the comments in the section below, and I'll see you in the next video.